Hi, my name's Eli. I'm with Cliff Hardware in Sharonville, Ohio. Today I'm here to demonstrate how to remove an old outlet and replace it with a new outlet. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have the right materials. Obviously you need your new outlet. You'll need a flathead screwdriver. You may also need a Phillips head screwdriver. And these aren't a necessity, but they're good to have. You have a voltage sensor and an outlet tester for after the job's finished. Now the first thing you're going to do is make sure the power is off. This is just a display board for us, so we know the power is off. But for you, you want to go down to your breaker box or your fuse box, find the room that you're working in, and flip that breaker off. If you're not 100% sure, that's where the voltage sensor will come into place. All you do with this is put this close to the outlet. Once it's close to the outlet, if the outlet is hot, it's going to light up and start beeping. Now once you know that the power is off, you can go ahead and start replacing. First thing you're going to do is take your flathead screwdriver and remove the screw that's holding the outlet plate on. So we'll just take that right off here. And after that, your outlet is going to have two screws securing it to the box. I've already removed ours from the box just to save some time here. So once you have those unscrewed, you can just pull the outlet out about an inch or two away from the box, give you a little bit of space to work with. And this particular outlet is there is the last one in the line. So there's no outlets beyond this. So I just have one set of wires coming into this box: a hot wire, a neutral wire, and a ground wire. So I'm going to unscrew those three. In a project like this, you should be able to complete the whole project for between $5 and $10. So if you can do this yourself, you're going to save yourself a lot of money from hiring an electrician. So go ahead and loosen all the three of these screws. Then I'm going to unhook the wires. And if they've been on there a while, it could be a little tricky to get these off, but just take your time and it should slide right off. Now I'm going to take my new outlet, and if you can see, you're going to have two gold screws, two silver screws, and a green ground screw. Now in this particular outlet, we're only going to be using one of the gold, one of the silver, and then your ground. So I'm going to start by putting the ground wire on, and when you're attaching the wires, you want to make sure they're looped around in a clockwise direction. That way they stay on the screw as you're tightening it. So I'm going to take my bare wire, sometimes that could be green, but in this case it's bare, and we'll wrap that around the green grounding screw. Go ahead and tighten that down. I'm going to take the white wire, which is the neutral, and that's going to go around the silver screw. Tighten that down. And the last wire I have is a black wire, which is going to be the hot wire. Now if you're not sure, a good way to do this is to take a picture with a digital phone or a camera phone. Take a picture of how the wires are installed on your old outlet. That way when you're replacing it with a new one, you can just look at the pictures and see exactly how it was set up. So all my wires are attached and secured, all wrapping around their screw in a clockwise direction. Next thing all I have to do is reattach that outlet to the box. Just has two screws securing it. Now, to save time, I'm not going to screw the whole outlet in. But once you have that screwed to your box, take your plate back on, screw your cover plate to the outlet. Then you can go ahead and turn your power back on, flip the breaker back on, or the fuse. Then, if you have an outlet tester, you can plug it in, and it has 3 lights on it. If you have all the connections correctly, the first light will not light up, and the second 2 will light up. And that's all there is to installing a new outlet. That's a $5 fix, something you can do yourself. Just go down to your local hardware store, and you can have the job done in about 10-15 minutes. If you have any questions, you can go to our website. It's cliffshardware.com, or you can give us a call at 513-563-6415. Thank you.